In this COVID world, there are many countries waiting for corona vaccine. World economy is falling down. People's death rate are increasing day by day. And there are many questions regarding corona vaccine. When can we expect COVID vaccine? What are complications faced by researchers to make corona vaccine? Which company are ahead in the race for making corona vaccine? I am Akshay and you are watching National Info Crypto. And today we are going to break down facts regarding COVID vaccine and medicine. So let's get started. Before we start discussing about COVID vaccine, we need to know about the nature of coronavirus. Coronavirus is advanced form of SARS-1 and MERS. The first family member of COVID was observed in 1930 in chickens. COVID also contains strains of HIV which makes coronavirus very complicated. Before we speak about preparation of vaccine, we need to know what is vaccine. Vaccine is a biological preparation which provide artificial immunity. The vaccine are made by either killed microorganism or its toxin. So how vaccine are made? Vaccine are made in 3 stages. Stage 1, exploratory stage. Stage 2, preclinical stage. Stage 3, clinical stage. Stage 1, exploratory stage. In this stage, the researchers research about virus and they denumerate the viral form so that they get toxin or strain which can create artificial immunity. Stage 2, preclinical stage. This artificial immunity is tested on tissues and animals before they test on human. Stage 3, clinical stage. In this stage, this artificial immunity is tested on human, and this is a long process. It takes nearly 7 to 10 years to complete this stage. So after approval, this artificial immunity is made into drug form and given to people in form of vaccine. Complication in making COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine is one of the fastest vaccine in development. No vaccine has been in development that fast as COVID vaccine. World economy is falling down. People's death rate are increasing day by day because of coronavirus. And now researchers has been pressurized to make vaccine as soon as possible. Usually a vaccine takes 7 to 10 years to completely develop. But in case of COVID, people are expecting it much sooner as possible. The other complication is the researchers have gone to direct clinical stage without preclinical stage, because of which there is a chances of side effects when vaccine is tested on human. So when can we expect COVID vaccine? COVID vaccine can be expected at early 2021 if researchers are successful. Oxford are in final stages of development of vaccine. Oxogenica gave money for Oxford to develop vaccine, and Oxogenica is also the company which gave license to India for vaccine development. Patanjali and Glenmark are leading company for development of vaccine in India. In India, 6 companies are ahead to make vaccine. 170 people in world has been tested for vaccine, and 70 people are in the way for test regarding vaccine in India. Glenmark has launched their medicine for coronavirus in India, and Patanjali also launched the medicine, but due to some complication, government has not given approval for Patanjali medicines right now. So what is message in this video? It's not easy to develop vaccine too fast. We have to wait bit longer. Fake news are circulating in WhatsApp, Facebook and some fake channels. Researchers are working hard day and night for making vaccine. So we have to not pressurize researchers for vaccine development. And also we should stop believing fake news regarding vaccine and medicine from WhatsApp, Facebook and some fake channels. Like, share and subscribe this video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.